And Sarah, this is the showpiece that's going to be delivered to IPNR Monday, the 29th of July. We're up to the cottage again. We're going to do some demonstration of this fine product. You can see the steel base. This structure is built specifically for in buildings. The post, sectional post, is aluminum. The critter canopy, plastic with an aluminum sleeve also, and then the aluminum sleeve on the feeder. This is very nice looking, very nice to operate. So Sarah's going to do a little demonstration for us here. We're not going to fill it with feed, we're just going to go through the process.
That's where the feed would go. Yeah.
How'd that work, Sarah?
Worked good. Light, easy.
Birds that land on it.
Yeah, there might be some birds landing on this, just to check and see if there's any food in it. Sarah's mom is going to do it now. She's going to go through the procedure. Simulate feeding. Yep. There it is.
1, 2, 3.
Done.
Beautiful.
I'll go in a little closer. There's a ring. I've placed a ring on top of here, primarily so the sleeve of the feeder doesn't slip down over top of the sleeve on the critter canopy. This is just a prevention. Depends on how they want to do it in the manufacturing process. That's just a little prevention I put on there. It works nicer. Adjustable bolts for leveling. All 4 corners. Works real nice. You don't need it out here on the grass, of course, but made for the cement floor. Locating pin. There's 2 of them, one there and one there. You can see the multiple holes options. They're 4-inch apart. and the notches. You can see that on the sleeve right there. This is prototype model number 2.